On number 13, there is no GCF of all four terms. So my first step is going to be factor by grouping. So out of the first two terms, I can take out an x squared, leaving behind an x plus 5. And out of the second two terms, I can factor out a negative 4, which also leaves an x plus 5. So completing the factor by grouping, we have x plus 5, and we have x squared minus 4. So just like number 12, where we had the x squared minus 4, we can factor this further. So it becomes x plus 2, x minus 2. So my three answers are x is equal to negative 5, x is equal to negative 2, and x is equal to positive 2.